I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
Today we head into one of the most beautiful waterfalls located in Las Isigihor. It's called Gambuga High Falls, and we have to walk down 135 steps to reach the bottom of the waterfall.
We started our trip to the waterfalls early in the morning and we arrived around 6:40. There were not that many tourists, mostly locals. We met with so many locals and made great friendships that will last us a lifetime.
Morning, Mom. Would you like to bring water?
We are good for now. When we come back, 135 steps. Here we go. We will recommend you to get a tour guide and support the locals. The guide will cost you around 150 pesos, which is around $2-3 US. Maybe you wonder, why do I need a tour guide? But trust me, there are so many hidden gems that tourists are not allowed to visit without a local tour guide.
Ah, lovely one.
Today we're transferring to a new room. So this is our new room up there. This is the resort from outside. Thank you guys. So this is the bed. Looks a lot better than downstairs. We have a very cute balcony. Oh, it's very nice. And you can see the beach from here. Just came back from the waterfalls and we just got here and it started to rain. So now we are here in the patio enjoying the rain. It's very beautiful when it's raining. So after being on a bike for a whole day, I have to fix my face. Ah! Oh hi guys! Oh hi! Oh hi guys! Oh, you're kissing each other? Oh, you're so cute! Oh, you're so cute! Oh, what are you doing? Everybody we spoke in Cebu or Bohol, they told us not to come here. Everybody was telling us that there is a lot of witches here. So I think we found their house. But I don't think she's inside anymore. This is the entrance to one of the beaches here in Siquijor. Everything here is very mystical. Let's see where we're gonna go now. Let's see if there's any flying brooms here. No, so we can go. The sky is clear. I don't think that's a swimmable beach here. Hey, there is people walking there. Maybe. Looks very mystical and look at the sky. You know what's the feeling here? The feeling here is like everything has stopped. It's like nothing's moving. And it's just like pretty much, I don't know how to explain. It's like the time has stopped. That's exactly the feeling here. The feeling here, even the clouds don't move.
So we found a witch on the island. She's still on train though. Let me show it to you.
The security guy told us that these are restaurants. Let's go check it out.